Hi everybody, my name is Jesse Pelez and today I will be showing you how to find the missing number in an addition problem. So today we'll be using numbers from 1 to 23. So my example will be 17 plus the missing number will equal 23. There you go. So today I will be using a basic method of how everyone finds a missing number, and it's basically using the number given in the addition problem and subtracting it from the answer. So today we'll be using the horizontal way. So we'll be having the 23 up top, and then we'll be having the 17 at the bottom, and we subtract it. So here this method, you know that you cannot subtract from 7 from 3, so you'll have to do the take away method. So we'll be taking away a 10 from the 20, and the 20 ends up being a 10, and then we give the 10 to the 3, which will equal 13. So that here we do the basic math. We do 10 times 10 minus 10 equals 0. And then you subtract 7 from 13, which is 6. And then here we plug our answer back into the original problem, which is 17 plus the missing number equals 23. But our missing number that we got in our answer is 6. So we find out if our answer is correct. And we do 17 plus 6 equals 23. And if you do it on a calculator, you will get the exact answer. And today I'll also be showing you the opposite method, which is subtracting. So if we do the opposite way, is 23 minus blank equals 17. We do the opposite. We do the exact same way, but we subtract. If you do the exact same way, 23 minus 17, you will also get 6 as well. Thank you.